Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. So in today's session, we are going to continue the available tools in AutoCAD 2D. So in previous session we have dealt with draw tool, modifying tool and annotation tool. So in today's class, we'll be starting up with layer tool. So layer tool is a tool which is being helpful for you to create different sections. For example, we have a plan which involves exterior walls, interior walls. Along with that we have electrical drawing and then plumbing drawing, and the client needs only the exterior and interior wall, that is, he doesn't need plumbing and electrical work. So at that time it will be helpful for you to use the layer properties so that we can switch on and off the other terms by creating in different layers. Now all the exterior walls will be created in one layer, all interior walls will be created in one layer, and then all electrical work will be created in another layer, and plumbing will be created in another layer. For a mason person, we need only exterior and interior walls so that electrical and plumbing work can be turned off or freezed, so that you cannot make any changes into it. Or if a plumbing person need the plan, in the sense you can turn off the electrical work and then you can provide him the plan along with the plumbing work. And for the electrician, you can provide plan and then electrical work drawing excluding this plumbing work by just turning it off or on along with the freezing term. So you can use this layer in terms of just switching the drawings within the drawing itself. Next we have block term. So block term is a particular term which is helpful for you to create number of shapes involving in one particular term and being created and then being saved. For example, in order to indicate the door option, we need this line command, and then we need arc command, like this. Now this door command in particular plan many number of times, and I cannot keep creating it like this. So what I am going to do is I am just using this shapes, I am just creating a block. After creating this block, this becomes into one group, and then this can be utilized and saved so that it can be used in further works that is done in insert term. After the block we have mesh property. Mesh property will help you in giving the color, thickness, and then different types of lines that you draw. So this will be helpful for coloring, thickness, line weight, and then line type. So this is the property of a line. And then next we have grouping the terms. So how does the grouping a term helps in? See, in AutoCAD we not only create a plan, sometimes we need to create an interior designing, or sometimes we need to create some restaurant top views. So for the restaurant top views, if I create one particular dining table with 4 chairs and that has to be copy paste every time, I cannot particularly create single chair and single table. So what I'll do is I'll just create one table with 4 chairs and I'm going to group this, and then I'm going to copy paste this entire group. So that is how group will be helpful for you. And after that you have utilities. Utilities are the few extra terms which will be helpful for you to measure the dimension, area, volume, and etc. And then next, in that same term you will be having quick select, in the sense selecting in terms of a name or selecting in terms of a shape. And then next we have selecting all, in the sense whatever the components or commands we have present in that, so everything can be selected in one single click, that is control or all or select all. Next we have a quick calculator. So calculator is same as that of your regular calculator, whatever you have. So in this way, this is the same calculator. And then next, after this utilities, we have under this we have ID point, which displays you the UCS coordinates. So what does this UCS coordinate means, in the sense, so you have here WCS. So in further classes we'll be understanding what are these WCS and UCS terms. And then next we have point style. So point style, it will be helpful in showing the point in different sizes or in different styles. And then utilities, yeah, this is the utility what are available in this. And then next we have clipboard. Clipboard, it will be helpful for you to cut, copy and paste. This cut, copy, paste is same as that of in MS Office. So in today's session we have learnt about layers, blocks, properties, groups, utilities and clipboards. So in upcoming classes we'll be dealing with what are the other tools that are being available in the AutoCAD sessions. Thank you.